welcome back, guys. So today I'm here with Nadula here, same packaging as last time. Yeah, so let's go ahead and see what we got in today's package. So as usual, the wig, I got this bag here, that's all that's in the box. I got a wig cap, brush. This is cute, a cute like snake skin design. It's very nice paddle brush. I got a scarf, and lastly I got a pair of lashes. So that's everything that came in the package apart from the wig. So guys, today we're working with some inches, and I must say this is the first time I've gotten a closure wig. Yes, it's a closure wig. It's really nice, and it's 32 inches long, so it's the longest closure wig I've ever gotten. You know, yes, for lace fronts, yes, I've gotten lengths like this, but for a closure, yeah, and I know that with a closure wig it's way easier to apply than a lace front. This is really nice. It does feel silky and soft. It's a 1B color as usual. It's full to the end of the hair. It looks really good, so I'm happy about that. It is a center part, and it is a nice deep parting, so I do like that. The construction, it has 3 combs in total inside the cap, adjustable straps in the back, and it's a medium brown lace. So for today's video, guys, I'm going to be doing a transformation, so let's go ahead and get started. As you guys can see, I was just kind of prepping her hair, applied the wig cap, and then I proceeded to slipping on the wig. This wig is so gorgeous. Like, the hair is extremely soft. So for today's install, she says she's more fond of, you know, a side part, you know, like myself, but you know, I wear a lot of center parts, but she says she definitely wanted a side part. So I don't usually do the side parts with my closures, so I was really happy to do that with this closure today. And so I shifted it just a tad to the side that she wanted the parting to be, and I proceeded to apply the glue. Of course, you know, before you apply your glue, you want to cleanse the area with alcohol, because it's just a must. You don't want to apply glue to dirty skin at all. It can have a bad reaction. It's just not good. Don't do it, okay? Make sure the area is clean. I actually applied 3 layers of glue. I didn't get the 3rd layer on camera, but I applied 3 layers. You want to make each layer dry down pretty clear before you go ahead and layer lace. So once that was done, I applied the lace and I just pressed everything in as usual. You know, as you guys know, it's such a breather. It's so easy to apply a lace closure, because once you're done with that portion, that is it. So it's really quick, very easy. And I proceeded to apply the elastic band to further, you know, kind of press it in so that it appears more melted into the scalp, the skin. Yeah, and then I got my hot comb to kind of just lay where the parting is. I also use some concealer later on to make the parting more precise and stuff. Yeah, and of course I'm using my wax stick to help the hair to lay flatter. It was looking so good. And the lace is HD, so it really melted in. It was looking so good. You wouldn't know that this is a lace closure and not a frontal. So while I actually did the edges off camera, yeah, it wasn't nothing that you've never seen before. So yeah, I proceeded to redefining the curls. Trust me, you could definitely go ahead and rock this wig straight out of the packaging with those gorgeous waves. But because she was going out, you know, and we wanted these to last, I also applied some holding spray and I redefined everything, giving it more of that wand-y vibe. So I used my curling wand to do these curls today, and I used my Suave holding spray. And yeah, it took a little bit of time because this hair is 32 inches, as I mentioned in the previous clip, so it takes a little bit more time to wrap it around and just, you know, for that curl to form. But trust me, it's totally worth it. It's so pretty. And if you're going for inches, I totally recommend. It's really full. There was shedding, just to let you know. There definitely was shedding, but it was minimal, okay? There was shedding, but this hair, the luster, the movement, it's very pretty. I'm very happy with that. The fullness is really nice. Look at that. Once I was done, I kind of speed through that portion, and we were I'm pretty much done with the curls here, and it's looking so good, so good. Like I use my fingers to kind of just separate the curls, make everything more voluminous, give it that nice big effect. You know, definitely what she was going for, and everything just looks so nice and melted. The lace looks good, everything looks good. And as you can see, I did minimal edges. I didn't want like that really thick baby hair look or anything, you know. So that's what I did, and yeah, that's pretty much it for this transformation. I didn't want to keep you guys too long today. It's really full and really nice. It does have a little bit of weight to it, but it's not like really heavy. And as I said, inches, I feel like it's perfect for fall. It looks gorgeous. And yeah, guys, go ahead and check out my description box for all the information on this wig. All right, if you're interested, and the direct link where you can go ahead and order it. Shout out to Nadula here once more. That's it for today's hair look. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.